Hello friends, good morning. I can say to all. So today again I am working on my on our home solar project. So already I have marked where I need to create the drill. So these are the points to hang up few gadgets for this purpose, like this one. This is for Victron inverter. So give me some time. Okay, already you can see I make the drill holes, and this two blue solar charge controller and smart solar charge controller already I have hang up, and very soon I am going to connect it. As now you can see already I have already I have connected those with my main battery. Also there is a fuse. So now both are blinking, there is no problem at all. So this is the inverter, the heart of my system. So now I am taking it up to hang up on proper position. It's huge, friends. Very means 30 kg. For me it's little bit high. Anyhow, so I have to hang up. Give me a second. Yeah, done. Done. It's the balancing it is very tough job because the transformer is on the upper side. Anyhow, so it's hang up properly, as you can see. Yep. So some cable routing already I have done, as you can see. So again I will do some, and again. So again, friends, you can see many works I have done. This is a 24 volt pure sine wave inverter. Already I also hang up. So from 24 volt that's I will get the output from that and give the inverter, Victron inverter, then it will go out. This is a phase selector, you can say. I can choose grid or solar in between as per my wish or the situation. So this is will be the primary, and this is the Victron will be the secondary. So next time I will make a detailed video. So battery also connected with the Victron charge inverter. It's working properly. Also I have connected the solar panels to the charge controller. Now it's night, from morning to night. So very soon I will come up with a detailed video to describing what are the things I have done. Thank you friends to listening me, to be with me. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.